Now we're going to look at a number being multiplied by a two-digit multiplier. So in these cases, we have a number, still a three-digit number, so ones, tens, hundreds, being multiplied by a two-digit number, so a number that has something in the ones place and the tens place. So here's the first thing that we're going to do. At first, we are going to pretend that this number, this 4 in the tens place doesn't exist. We are going to completely ignore it and just go about this problem as if we were multiplying by the ones place. So just like when we did this with our single digit multiplier, we're going to take this 3 and we're going to multiply it by the ones place, the tens place, and the hundreds place, and get what we call a partial product. So we'll start with that. So we'll say, okay, well, 3 times 6, and again, if you need a calculator for these in-between parts, that is a-okay, or a multiplication chart even better, so that you're not making a small calculation error. So 3 times 6 is 18. So I'm going to put the 8 down here, and I'm going to carry the 1, because our number 18, the 1 goes in the tens place. So 1, 8. Now we have 3 times 2, which is 6, plus that 1 that we carried. So 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And last we have 3 times 9, which is 27. And because we don't have a number in the thousands place, we would put the 2 up here and the 7 down here, but we don't have a number next door, so we're going to go ahead and put the whole number down here, 27. So that's our partial product. That's just 926 times 3. But we also have this 4 in the tens place, which means 40. So that means we have to do 926 times 4, or essentially 40, and then add those two together. So the way, instead of going 40 times 6, 40 times 2, 40 times 9, the way we just get to multiply this by 4 is that when we're doing a two-digit problem, we always, and I get a red one out because, a red pencil out, because when we're multiplying by our tens multiplier, we automatically just put a 0 here. And that takes care of the fact that we're multiplying by something in the tens place instead of the ones place. Because as you know, multiplying 6 times 40 is going to be a lot more than 6 times 4. In fact, it's going to be 10 times more, which is why we put that 0 there. Okay, the other thing I like to do at this step is this 1 up here that we carried only had to do with the problem when we were multiplying the 3. So in between these steps, I just go ahead and cross that one out so I don't accidentally think it belongs with multiplying by our tens place. And now we're ready to go. We added the 0 and we crossed out any of our carrying numbers up top. All right, so now we do 4 times 6, which is 24. So we put the 2 up here and the 4 down here, 20, 24. All right, now we do, so we did 4 times 6. Now we do 4 times 2. So 4 times 2 is 8 plus the 2 here. So 4 times 2 is 8, 9, 10. So we put the 0 down here and we carry the 1 to make 10. Now we do 4 times 9, which is 36, plus 1, 37. But we don't have any number here to carry the 3 over, so we can go ahead and put the 37 right here. So now we have 926 times 3 here, and we have 926 times 40 here. So two partial products, we add them together. So 8 plus 0 is 8, 7 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7 plus 1 is 8. 7 plus 2 is 9. And 3 plus 0 is 3. So we have 39,818. And that is our final answer. I just want to look too quickly at this problem because we have a 0 in it. And so really quickly, what that would look like is, okay, 9 times 5, 45. 9 times 0 is 0, plus this 4 is 4. 9 times 1 is 9. Okay, now we're multiplying by our tens multiplier. What do we need to do? Add our 0. into the ones place, so now we're multiplying by tens. And cross this one out. That 4 had to do with that. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 0, 0 plus 2 is just 2. 5 times 1 is 5. Those are our two partial products. We add them together. 6,195.